Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Earth Pro and focusing on the Layers area. This is where labels live. First, expand the Layers panel at the lower left and scan categories like places, roads, borders, and 3D buildings. Uncheck the specific label groups you don't want visible, because turning off the parent layer quickly removes many text items. Once done, zoom to a familiar spot to confirm change. This step reduces clutter, so you can target remaining label sources deliberately and efficiently. Now you address custom labels in the Places panel. These are often the remaining on-screen names. Expand your folders and any imported KML or KMZ files, then right-click a placemark to choose Hide, Delete, or Get Info. Use properties to edit the name field if you prefer to rename rather than remove. Uncheck Show to keep data, but hide the label. Once done, refresh the view by toggling visibility of the parent folder to ensure no stray labels persist. Finish by performing a cleanup. Hide remaining overlay layers, refresh the display, and optionally restart the app. If labels still appear, use View to reset defaults, then clear the Disk Cache in Tools Options Cache and restart Google Earth Pro. This resolves many display glitches. Make sure to disable 3D buildings briefly to catch labels anchored in models. If problems continue, check for duplicate KML imports. One troubleshooting tip: toggling the parent layer off and on forces a full redraw and often clears stubborn labels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.